today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, the last days were absolutely crazy for Bitcoin. In fact, I am here right now in some random Thai street, but this doesn't hold me back of making these videos, especially right now when there's something unfolding in the charts which is giving us a very clear direction as to where's the Bitcoin price going to go here in the immediate short term. I want to talk about that, and this video is very important for you to understand what's going on right now, because we had this very crazy dump here throughout the last few days, and of course people are asking me, Chris, is it over already? Are we going to bounce? Is the bear market starting? Are we going to look out for much lower price targets? Well, I am telling you, I did not predict that we are going to break the 40,000 US dollar levels. However, I did one thing. Almost 2 months ago, let me show you. I made a video about it, but let me show you this tweet here. You can see it here on the 11th of December 2021. I was actually posting Bitcoin concerning similarities. I was showing you the price right now at 48,400 US dollars, and I was showing you this textbook pattern. I was telling you Bitcoin is between phase 27 and 28, and that potentially we are looking out here for a very bearish scenario, for a worst case scenario where Bitcoin is going here on the 28 to a very specific price target. This is a price target I do want to elaborate on in this video. Let me quickly go back here. So make sure you are watching this video until the very end. And yes, I'm not saying I predicted this. What I'm saying though is, I told you so. What I'm saying though is, I gave you two scenarios and I told you when A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. B unfortunately happened, we went lower, and now the question is, what is the price target? Let's talk about that. Let's go here straight into the charts, and what you can see, Bitcoin broke not only, sorry for the background noises, of course, if I'm making a video here directly from the streets in Thailand, we have to expect some background noises coming in. We can see here on the daily candles for Bitcoin, actually Bitcoin broke this pattern to the downside. Bitcoin also broke the horizontal support towards the downside, and well, now I can already tell you one thing, and this is where it gets interesting. Number one, the measured move price target of this breakdown, let me quickly zoom in here. This is not new. This is something I talked about already in the last two videos, right? Is approximately among the, I drew it sloppy here, 30,000 US dollars to 31,000 US dollar areas for Bitcoin. But this is the thing. This is where we are getting some interesting confluence in before the concerning similarities. What I was posting like more than a month ago, like 1.5 months ago approximately, at 48,400 US dollars, I was predicting, I was telling you guys, if this is the case, we are between phase 26, 27 in this bounce, and the last big dump is actually imminent in accordance to that pattern. And here you can see phase 28 should bring us all the way back to 10, to the previous low of the previous dump after the three peaks before the domed house in this specific chart pattern. So now let's go back into the charts and let's actually see what would that price target be. Let me actually put a horizontal line to that. If this would be the case, then you can see we have perfect confluence coming in here once again at approximately 30,000 US dollars, approximately actually the average buying price from the one and only Michael Saylor, who was buying billions of US dollars worth of Bitcoin, whose average purchasing price is right now at 30,000 US dollars. This is not necessarily what I'm looking out for, but this is my new worst case scenario. Yes, I was thinking 40,000 we are going to hold, but I was also telling you the moment we are breaking it, the moment we are having at least 2 consecutive weekly closes below the EMA ribbon, this is when I'm gonna flip bearish. Well, as you can see, it unfortunately unfolded. We unfortunately went lower here, and now you know my worst case scenario for Bitcoin. I would like to know what you think about that. Of course, let me quickly show you. This was the video here just a little bit more than a month ago. 110,000 views on that one. Thank you so much for that. Of course, you will find a link down below if you wanna trade it. Be careful, be an experienced trader. 10,000 US dollar bonus for free here in the pinned comment. If you click the Bybit link, click register deposit, takes a minute, you have 4,100 US dollars in free bonuses on this account. Let me quickly show you here, and guys, like the video if you want more of these videos here on the sidelines. This looks crazy, man. I really want to spread some hope. Hopefully times are changing for the better again. It's not a ghost town anymore here. Really amazing to see that. I'm very happy because some things which were happening in the last two years were hitting some people in Thailand very hard, and it's nice to see that tourism is working out again here. Yeah, you know, guys, I went to Thailand and I was quarantining for a few days. Now I'm finally free. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one. I'm Crypto, and as always, guys, as always, bye bye.